how to add Amazon Prime account in another phone. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can add your Amazon Prime account in another phone. So let's get started. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Amazon account over here. Next, what you need to do is come over here onto your main profile, and you can either add a profile over here, or you can come over here and click on account and settings. And when you do that, over here you're going to have a bunch of different options right here. So over here, as you can see, you have your devices right here. You're going to click on your devices, and over here you can register a new device. So as you can see, I have registered a bunch of different phones, TVs, emails, and other phones as well. So all you have to do is click on register new device, and it's going to tell you right here that you have to open up the Amazon Prime Video app on your TV or device. You got to click on register on Prime website, and then it'll give you the code, and then you can add the code right here, and that will register your device over here in this list. So pretty simple. This is how you do it. This is how you register a device on your Amazon Prime account. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.